In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with EngageBay, a fantastic tool to help you manage your customer relationships with ease and efficiency. Whether you're new to CRM software or looking for an affordable all-in-one solution, EngageBay could be just what you need. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to EngageBay's homepage. You can do this by simply opening up your preferred web browser and typing in engagebay.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to their landing page, which is designed to help businesses like yours flourish. Here you'll find a clean, user-friendly interface that immediately gives you a sense of the platform's capabilities. EngageBay is known for its robust suite of tools that are aimed to drive growth, engage website visitors, and delight your customers. It's a comprehensive CRM solution at a price that won't break the bank. Once you're on the EngageBay homepage, you'll notice a free sign-up button. It's typically bright and inviting, ensuring you can't miss it. Go ahead and click this button. By doing so, you're taking your first step into personalizing your EngageBay experience. This is an invitation to unlock a myriad of features that help streamline your business processes, enhance customer interaction, and ultimately lead to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Clicking Free Sign Up will lead you to a registration page. Here, you'll need to fill in some basic information to set up your account. This process is straightforward and designed to be easy for users of all tech backgrounds. EngageBay ensures that your transition onto their platform is smooth, providing you with a sense of reliability and support. Once you've filled out the necessary details, just submit your information and voila, your account is ready to go. At this point, you've successfully signed up for EngageBay, and you're now part of a community that values growth and engagement just as much as you do. With your account set up, you can start exploring the various features and tools available. From managing customer relations, email marketing, to automation tools, everything you need is at your fingertips. And there you have it. Setting up your EngageBay account is quick, easy, and definitely worth the effort, considering the vast array of features you're about to explore. EngageBay's capabilities are designed to support businesses in building and maintaining all their important customer relationships effortlessly. Now you're ready to harness the power of EngageBay to take your business to new heights. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the journey with EngageBay doesn't stop here. Dive in, start experimenting with the tools, and see how EngageBay can specifically cater to your business needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of EngageBay's resources or reach out to their support team. Happy CRMing,